Hi people, welcome to another episode of Mr. B's Buildings. We're outside the mill, an old spinning mill in Leigh. Now if you know where I am, then that's great, big thumbs up to you people. But I was passing this gaff here, this old mill, and I thought I'd nip round and do a little video for you people. Now it is a bit windy, so if the wind gets up on my video I'm very sorry. But yeah, let's get to it people. Like I said, I don't know anything because I've not looked on Google, I've not researched it. It's just a one chance time coming past, going looking and doing this video, so I apologise for any information, but might make a good video for you people. So here we go. Yeah, we're out here at LEIGH Spinning Limited, the spinning mill. Yeah, look at this on the plaque here, people. Through this guy that actually says LEIGH Spinners Limited, registered office. So we're going to go around this side here where the old big sum is and have a look at the side of the building. There is a warehouse on the other side. I'm not going to look at that. So yeah, this is the side, and behind that big skip there, we're just scooting up the building there, looking at the architecture. That's the top there for you people. Like I said, I've done many videos on mills in the past. And just looked outside, but like I said, I was passing this gaff on the road and I noticed about it. I do know about it because I did Google it once, but I didn't get a chance to come. So let's look up there, the top of that gaff. Now we're gonna go, like I said, look at that window. What a great building. Like I said, we're just walking outside at the moment, but look at that big piece of machinery there that they used to use coming down from the mill, and it's there. Wow. And that probably in the day would have been a wooden shutter. So the wooden shutters would open and the goods would come out and they would load onto the... But yeah, what a... Like I said people, it's just looking at here, just opportunity to come. There's the title. But yeah, look at these wooden doors. Wonder if they were there in the day when this building. Imagine all the looms inside people, all that noise. Now I'm sales goods in here. I'm gonna have this door's open, so I'm gonna have a quick scoot inside for you people. Yeah. Wow, look at that. I'm not gonna go up there because it's dark up there, people. But wow, just these are the gents' toilets. I'm not going to go and show you a toilet, but yeah, look at that door. Yeah, onwards and upwards people, onwards and upwards. But yeah, fabulous building here. I wonder what we'll learn in the day. But yeah, we're just looking at the top of this gaff. This door's open people, so but look at these. Imagine them being used in the day. Now I'm going to be quiet, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to have a look down here for you people in here. Wow. Don't know if you people can see. I said, I'm not sure I'm allowed to be in here, people, but we're wondering anyway. Wow, look at that. Down there, people. But yeah, look at this. We're inside, people. Being quiet so we're not heard. But yeah, look at that. Right, let's get out of here. Through this door. Get out of here before anybody comes. Yeah, down this other side of the building. I'm very sorry if it's not interesting to you people, but it's just a bit of history here of this mill in the day. Look at that, the old petrol tanker there. But look at this here, people. Look at this. Old petrol pump there, guys. Now let's don't know if we can see there what them litres are. I think that's 8.10, that. Wow, look at that. What a find, people. In the day you used petrol pumps this. Let's look at this on the other side. I can't read the bottom bit there, but yeah. And the old pump used to go in the top, people. Used to go in there. Now, there's no pump on there now, but yeah, imagine that being used in the day. But back to the old the spinning mill. There you go. Look at that chimney behind. Now I wonder if the late great Fred Divner has been to that chimney. You never know, people, do you? You never know. You know, the old Fred. But yeah, this is, wow, look at them doors. But like I said, it's just looking outside of this gaff. But on your left, look at this big lake. Look at the brickwork on that. That was probably put in when it was built in the day. But the big lake here. Now I'm not sure if they have an engine still in here. Steam engine, I'm not sure. I can't say we have. Can't say they have. But I'm wondering if they do. But yeah, we're getting up to the top end now. But yeah, that's that chimney behind. So like I said, I wonder if there is a steam engine in here that the historians in here have, but I'm not sure, to be honest, people. I can't tell you. I can't. Look at them windows. Wow, fantastic. A little bit of building here. Top of this mill here as well. Let's go over to this bit here for you people. Like a loading bay there. So again, one of these pulley systems that used to bring out to that door. It wouldn't have had the grate there on front, but all your stuff would have come from there. Let's have a look up here and have a look at that. Wow, what a building, what a building. Look at these. There. Wow, fabulous, people, fabulous. I want to show you this door here, but I'm going to go over there a minute, so let's pause it. Yeah, I'm going to go up here, people. Can't see anything through there. I'll just show you through this door, people. Wow, look at all of that in there. I don't want to go any further in here, people. But yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to go inside on the stairs, inside this other part, so bear with me. Look at these people. That is a mill. Look at these here. Doorway there, people. Wow, that is great. Right, I'm going to go in this gaff. We're just going to have a look, see what we can see. Look at these, eh? Wow. The old lift there, people, if you can see. There you go, maybe that'll help you. But yeah, inside here, people. Let's go up these stairs and have a look, eh? Imagine coming up here in the day, guys. You know, different floors for when you used to go to your spinning, all your stuff, you know, your spinning mills and stuff. Let's look at these floors, people. Look at these. Wow. Heritage Centre to my left there, but it's actually closed today, unfortunately. Bit of pictures here for you, people. Wow. And I don't know what you can see there. Yeah, another bit of the left there, but look at this old sign here. No smoking behind this point. Strictly forbidden. Offenders will be subject to instant dismissal. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna go up these stairs again for you people. Like I said, I hope this is a bit interesting for you people. Like I said, there is a lot of flights of stairs up here. So we'll get to this floor. Now each floor they've named it like Sportsman Street. And again up there people, look at these for tiles. Would have been here for the day, in the day. Wonder what that door goes to. Look at the tiles there people. Wow. What a building. I'm going to keep going up these stairs. So I'm not going to bore you and go up these stairs till I get to the next floor. Look at that, Oxford Street. Wow, let's go up the next floor, eh, people? Right, people. We're not supposed to be in here, but we are. Imagine in here, people. Wow. What a fabulous. Imagine all the looms in here. Going off, people. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going to put the Gonna pause it a minute and put this Ivy's pet vest on. Bear with me. People, we're back. Like I said, I'm not gonna be here too long because I don't think I'm allowed in here. But to be interested for you people, we got in this gaff. We got in it. We're gonna have a quick look round. But all these beams here would have had power coming off and your looms would be in here. So imagine in the day, guys, being in here with all this sound coming off. You know what I mean, people? I'm going to go and see what's through this door for you people. So we're going to be careful at the moment. I think this is going to be like a retail space or something. I'm not sure, I can't think it, but yeah, just going to be careful going over here, people. Probably get done for being in here. But it looks like they're putting stairs in here to be something up here. Look at these girders here. Let's look at this in here. Oh, the old toilets, people. Look at that. The old bog. Wow, what a building. Like I said, I don't want to be in here too long, and they'll probably shoot me for being in here. But I just thought I'd have a quick look for you people to have a look at this gaff. You know what I mean, people. It's got to be done. It's got to be done. Some of the floors a bit thingy, so we got to be careful, people. But yeah, look at this. Imagine in the day, all the spinners in here. Wow. What a building, people. What a privilege it is to just get into here. I'm no urban explorer, people. But I just want to document it, because if this space gets altered in time, then no one's going to know what it's like. And let's just go over here, people, and look at this door. And then what we'll do is we'll get out of this gaff. We'll get out. I do thank the people that have let me have a look around this, people. But look at these doors here. Wow, look at them. Right, one more thing in here. So let's pause it and I'll just take you over. Look at these, people. Old windows here. Wow, look at them. And these here. Just go straight over to these. The old doors. Look at these. Wow, I wonder if these were in the spinning mill at the day. Wow. Wow. Right, let's get out of here and see if we can go upwards, hey? Look at these on the roof here. Wonder what they were in the day. And look at this here, guys. The lift up here. Look at this here. Wonder what that was. You can't get down there, but look at this window here. Wow, and this one here, people. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, let's get down here. And then what we'll do is we'll have a look out this window here. See what we can see. Look at the old windowsills there, but look at that. What a view from here. And again, the view of that little lake there that used to be the mill. Wow. Right, people, I'm going to, like I said, imagine out to the cotton mill and you're coming down here, people, walking down these stairs ready to go out from the day's work or the night's work. Right, let's pause this and get down outside. Another sign there. Bad you get. Look at that, people. I don't know if you can see. That's the lift shaft there. And up there as well, people. Wow. Bet the old signs here. The noise at work regulations 1989. Hearing protection must be used by everybody when working in the following department. Fitcher, Mackle, Tufting and HS Winding. Wow. Say. Right, guys. Fantastic. Fantastic. Little bit of a way around here, people, for you. And the sink there. What a building, eh? I'd like to thank the people that I have asked to come round here and do this. Like I said, that tells you what's up there. Floor 1 says engine room, but I would think that's in the old Heritage Centre, which is open today, people, unfortunately. But look at this here. Alright, let's get to the bottom and then wind this video up for you, people. Bit of an old sign there on the wall here. Can't really read it, to be honest. But fire guard or something, block 826 point something H. So I wonder what that was in the day, people. The old pipes. But I'm going to show you something on this in a minute, so bear with me. Now, people, there's a little bit of a pipe coming out of there, so I don't know what that would have been. Would it have been to the old steam engine in the day that would have been in this building? You never know, do you? Or wonder what that is. And these over here, people. Let's get to these and have a look for you. You can see one like going into the river, so these must have gone underneath this road here into the mill. Wow. Right, let's get down the bottom, wrap this video up and say thanks to the people that let me loot round here. It's got to be done, this, got to be done. It's got to be done, the old Mr. B drain pipe test. Wooden. What a disappointment. Wooden. But these are real. These are real, people. Definitely real. Now there's some down here I'm going to test for you in a minute. Finding these outside all of the building here, people. Used to be something in the day. Was this a little loading bay at the time? You don't know, do you? Nah, just test that one that was. Let's do one more for you people, eh? See that drain pipe? Let's have a go. Gotta be done, this, gotta be done. That is real. The way it sounded, people. Yep, real, that real. Now somebody's bunged something on the end here. So I'm going to stand down here and I'm going to wind this video up. So anyway people, it's a big thank you for watching this video. If you made it to the outside, a big thank you. We're going right to left of this building. So yeah, thanks a lot people for watching this video. And big thumbs up to you people. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to subscribe to my channel. If you don't, you don't. If you like this channel, please put the thumbs up. But anyway, thanks a lot people. It's a big thank you from Mr. Beast for watching this. And it's a big goodbye from Leigh Spinners Limited Mill. Anyway people, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. See you soon, bye bye.